Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your Google Business Profile email address. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for Google Business Profile and open the official website. Then, sign in using your current Google account credentials associated with your business profile. After that, find your way to your business profile. Then click on your desired business profile. Over here, look for the three dots and click on them. Then click on Business Profile Settings. After that, click on the tab labeled People and Access. Over here, click on Add. Then choose Owner from the role options. After that, enter the email address of the person you want to add and click on Invite. Then the invite will be sent. Once the person accepts the invitation, they will have owner access. So that's basically how you can change your Google Business Profile email address. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.